Good afternoon, YouTube. What up? Dan the Man here, and I vape. Is it Dan the Man Vapes? What? You heard me. Check it out. An Eleaf iStick Amnis. Bam. 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 Bam again. What? Damn thing's almost bigger than my lighter's almost bigger than. I mean, it's a taller. You know what I'm trying to say here. Why do I have a lighter? I don't even smoke. Tobacco products. I do vape tobacco products, however. That's what we call it nowadays, apparently. I'm vaping a little mouth to lung setup, supposedly. There it is again, if you want to look at it for whatever reason. I really can't be sure why you would want to. Yeah, anywho. We got the Eleaf Amnis, iStick Amnis. And then, on top, we have whatever this thing is called. The GS Drive Atomizer. Now, a mouth to lung? Nah. Look, that right there is a restricted lung. How I normally like to vape, okay? Now, this thing don't put out enough power. Supposedly it puts up 30 watts. Yeah. I did a little testing, and you know what? It doesn't. But I don't have all the scientific equipment that you have to have. I just did a little experiment with my own stuff. And 30 watts it does not do. But with the 0.75 ohm atomizer head that you get with it, right here, you won't get it when I give this away. This is the exact one you'll be getting. So, you know, I've kept the fair. I've kept it fair. The tank opens like so. Only thing I don't like is this opening right here. It'll get a bubble. And it'll make a giant freaking mess, and it won't go in, and you gotta pop it with something smaller. And sometimes, you know what? It's a pain in the rear, I can tell you that. Whoever wins it'll find out. You can do your own review on it too, maybe. Bam. Now, I think it's only fair that I tell you that this came apart on me. I put it back together, and now I can't get it back apart. So that's good. But this whole thing came off and came apart. Anywho, the Eleaf. Now, here's the 0.35 coils. And you're such an idiot sometimes. Now, these are the 3.5. Or, I already forgot. 0.35. This is what you'll be getting. The rest of them. Now, the one that came with the kit had a short. That happens. Sometimes, so it's not a real big deal. I had to use one of these. I have the 0.75 in here right now, which works better with this device. The 0.35s, I think, need more power, and this thing just doesn't do it. You can vape it, and it vapes, yeah. You got to work at it, though. You got to draw it real slow. Now, as a mouth to lung tank, I'm not into this. I am not kidding. You have to close it down, and I'm not joking, like that. Look, I mean, that's tiny. And it does hit, but it's too hard to dial in. I think they should have went with holes, starting, small to big. But Amnis is, oh yeah, you know what? I got this from healthcabin.net. It's a Chinese company, and they're pretty cool over there, no doubt. I mean, they do send me stuff to review, and if you ask me, that's awesome. They are always having some really awesome sales and stuff. And you know what? I've never had trouble with their shipping. Never, not once. It's $27 for the whole kit. That's not bad. 27.42. But you know what? They always have discounts and sales. Right now, they're having a Halloween sale going on right now, which is pretty super bad to the bone. I'll put a link. Wham bam. I don't know if YouTube lets me do stuff like that, but I'll put. I don't know. I'll put it here. You'll see it. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Eleaf iStick Amnis. I'm not sure if I was. You know what? Beginner. If I was a beginner, this would be perfect for me. I would have been glad to have it as a beginner. Alright, let's have a vape, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Come on, what happened? So, here in a minute. Jeez. We'll see you on the flip side very soon. Peace. Okay, I forgot to mention the Halloween grand sale going on at healthcabin.net. It's pretty bad to the bone Halloween sale. They're offering 10% off a shipping discount for all orders from the 25th to 31st. That discount will be offered during the checkout, and there's no coupon required. Okay, then we have on the 26th through the 1st, $10 off if you spend $60, $20 off if you spend $100, $50 off if you spend $200. Which, damn, that's pretty awesome, I think. Now, if you spend $100, let's say you're going to spend $200, you get $50 off. You can get another $30 off if you spend another $100 on anything over $100. You have 30% off juices and also concentrates. Let's see, they got Black Note, Charlie's Chalk Dust, Cosmic Fog, Animal, and a few others. Just head on over to healthcabin.net. Click on the Halloween sale, and you can't miss it. Let's see. They also have the Aspire Skystar Revo kit for $50, which is pretty good. The iStick Tria kit for $33. Let's see. Oh man, the Wismec Ravage for $27. The Smock free of M17 for 23, and more. Just go and check it out. You can't miss it. That's the end of it.